You're very cute. Yeah.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
Are you happy? Show me your smile.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
Hey, don't you buck at me, bitch. Are you good?
Frankie, you can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
Baby, they were too busy for a pop cup. I'm sorry.
You look like a potato.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Let me see your smile.
Your girlfriend's ugly. Sorry.
Really? Are you sad? No?
I don't want to play. I don't want to play.